So, we're walking into the Plaza Mayor de Peru. And there are people posing here. Right over here, but kind of at my side, is the presidential palace. And one of these buildings over here is City Hall. And you probably can't tell, but those are vultures flying all around, roosting on this big building here. You see them? There's a vulture on everything. Now, they might call them condors, I don't know. But they're vultures. You see them all in the sky there, too. Right? You see some nice wood balconies, double, you know, two-story balconies even. Remember Lima, which is where we are, is the city of balconies. There's hundreds of balconies here, hundreds. So, Presidential Palace. If you look closely, you'll see guards with red pants and white jackets. I think we're not going over that way. I think we're going this way. But I'm going to walk around here and meet you on the other side. Let's not get in this guy's picture, though. And another guy taking a picture. Oh, he's done. And Janet and the guide are on the other side there. Anyway, Plaza Mayor de Peru, or de Lima, with vultures. Pero, hablé contigo, yo te vi. Tour group. So from Lima, Peru, this is Gareth and Janet saying,
Peace out.
See you in the next port.